Hi all, we will be seeing what is RSS feed reader. RSS stands for Real Simple Syndication. As the name suggests, the way it works is very simple. This is the RSS feed reader symbol. The main key element in the RSS feed reader is the syndication, which allows you to get your favorite website updates directly delivered to you.
It refers to files easily read by a computer called XML files that automatically update information. This information is fetched by a user's RSS feed reader that converts the XML files into the latest updates from websites in an easy to read format. The RSS reader checks the user's feeds regularly for new information and can automatically download.
This is how an XML field in RSS is shown. It's a simple HTML tags with XML cases, and here's the output from the RSS feed to the users. So it's a very easy common language to see than in XML file. We need this type of feed reader to use RSS. Some of the popular RSS feed readers are Digreader, Feed Reader Online, Comma Feed, Flow Reader, Feedly. Most of the RSS feed reader are free. The main use advantage of RSS are it can work in slow internet connection, no spam, no pop-ups, no cookies. There is no any information gathered from us. We can read multiple sites information in a single location. So ours is privacy friendly. So let's see a working demo. Let's see a working demo. So we need a Chrome web browser. In the web browser, go to Chrome extension and search for RSS feed reader. So the most used RSS feed reader is this. You have to click and add to Brave, add extension. So wait for some times. So we have installed our RSS feed reader. So first we have to create an account. This is for your general authentication. I'm just logging in with my Gmail account. So it says welcome to feed reader and it's my personal. I have to follow my blogs, stay updated with this news, get fast updates on feeds. So next, so I can give desktop notification or sound notification, even mobile. So for us, we can use it on desktop for now. So just get the mobile information. So that's it. My RSS feed client or server has been installed. So this is my RSS feed reader symbol. So I will go with light theme. Not a huge fan of dark theme. So this is how your RSS feed reader looks like. So these are some of the news which they provide. So I am a techie guy. Once I will get some updates. So whenever I want to see a news update, I have to go in that gadgets.ndtv.com and every time I have to scroll through. So instead of that, so we have so this kind of pop-ups will not be shown in these RSS websites. So this is the RSS symbol. So we have to click. So what this RSS provides, what are the features, what are the categories of items can be shared. So I will go with all stories. I want to see all stories. So, so it's already we have installed the RSS feeder. So when we open the XML file document, it asks to subscribe. So I just click subscribe. So this is how an RSS feed reader looks like. It's not a warming, colorful data. So it's going on. It's a huge code. So so once I subscribe in that site and get back to my RSS feed reader, so my gadgets.360.com news will be there. So we can see how to chat with yourself. These are some quick suggestions. So instead of going here and reading all this information, so see, it's my Realme earbuds 2 to chat. So I have given, so yeah, there will be timeline. So it's about 11 hours. It's about 12 hours. So quickly going to. So I am a fan of anime. So movie. So these are the recent movies came back. So at last so we see a pop-up game. So at last we have, so when I click RSS feed reader, it jumps onto an XML file. We have plugin installed, so XML file is directly subscribed. So here's the code for this Anime website. So it shows the first category as watch pre-popular and name and time. So when I go to free reader, so we can see I have subscribed to this site. So the recent hours is the article came 6 hours before, 8 hours before, 13 hours before. When I click all posts, it will be arranged in the time delivery. So if a fan of news channel, so let's take an example of Pudhiya Talamurai. Pudhiya Talamurai. So most of the websites will have RSS feed reader. So see, here it has RSS feed. So and to ask which type of news we want to see. So let's go for sports news. So once we have get on in this, the XML file is not shown. So instead of that, we have feeds.feedburner.com URL. Copy that. Go to home. So we have plus. We have to paste and give search. So it shows Pudhiya Talamurai sports news. Just follow it. So and it has added. Once added, we can just go to and see. So Ashwini K India Shastra. So we have news from Pudhiya Talamurai also. So it's time friendly. Instead of going to each and every website and scrolling back, we can add this all. So if I logged in 2 hours before, so I can see the recent news. So most of the recent news are from Pudhiya Talamurai and later on the other sites. So it's more or like when you post, when your friend posts an Instagram post, you get notification, or when some YouTubers post some YouTube videos, you get some notification or subscription. So while logging into a system where we can get, so YouTube also provides these type of features. So to check, just go to any. So my favorite is Marcus Brownie Kikai. We can go to playlist. So I like the interview playlist. So just go to this link, copy it. I will be give these links in description. Paste. You have to get that ID. So equal. We have to copy the one which is after the list equal to and paste. We will be getting XML feed. We just have to just subscribe to it. So once refresh. So I get HMBST interviews, which was 2 months before 1 year. So that's all. So with usage of feed reader or as a speed reader, I can quickly grab to all the posts in quick time instead of going into each and new tabs. Thank you.